Here is a chart for SPX at today, what the action was, and as you can see here, the SPX did not go anywhere here. It tried to go up higher, and the existing home sales came in a tad lower, 459 million instead of 460, and the market shrugged off. It was a bad news that she could have sold off in it, but it did not. It just shrugged that thing off, and it just kept on going. It was trying to go higher, but towards the close, about half hour before the close, a sell program hit, and it took down the SPX to the 1400 level. It was at 5 point. Wasn't much, but because the VIX is low, the volatility is low, all these things are not working out as well, in the sense that the markets just do not go down and sell off very quickly. Take a look at the RUT, which is here, today's chart. This is daily action, and towards the close it just slammed down here 829, and the time ran out on it. We are going to now pull out and look at the 60-day and 60-minute chart on it, and just take a look at it, what is happening here on this one. This is the sideways motion. We clearly broke out here, then are now we're trucking on the upper edge of this trend line consolidation, 829, going sideways, not up, sideways, and the motion is sideways. Now we can pull it out here on the 9-month and a different time frame and take a look at it. This is the same story here. We are here, we broke out, now we're sitting at 829, and this thing is stochastic, is turning this way, which is makes it a little bit as if it's going to work off its overbought conditions. And Dow Jones, we haven't touched base. No, let's just keep on here looking at the SPX, which is on the daily charts, and that is what it is. You could take a look at it, what is happening. SPX is in a different shape. It just went up, but it's not going any forward. It's just at 1400 levels, and this thing is curving, which is indicating that we may see some kind of a pullback, and which is very healthy for the market to take place if that will happen, because most of these stocks are just jumping up or overbought and overloaded and into the nosebleed territory. We're not trading it because of that reason, simple reason. Look at this stock that has gone parabolic, and within 550 to 650, 60 points in few days. And now it has a strange doji like thing, hanging man, sheer volume here today, selling volume 23, and the action, the Apple is kind of topped off. Same thing here with the leading stocks, PCLN, which was sitting here right here at 703, and CMG, which is another one here. These stocks have gained tremendously in the past 2 months, no doubt about it. We missed some of that, but we will get back. It's 416. If it just pulls back a little bit, I may try to get in there tomorrow. I'm watching these things every day. Another stock that is making a lot of noise is GMCR. You want to take a look at it. GMCR here today, it's below its 50-day moving average, which is okay, but it's going to come and hit that and the 21-day, and it is trying to work some deal with Starbucks, which is another stock, SBUX. You want to take a look at it. So bullish stock. It is doing really well, and it is not like Green Mountain Coffee, Starbucks. So this is their chart. I mean, this is pulling up to 53.81, decent volume, very bullish. And let me cover a couple more stocks here. LULU, which is Lululemon here, that is also a very bullish stock. You can see the chart, 74.07. It is tracking higher. And LNKD, LinkedIn, today featured also. It gapped up here. It's a cup shape based with a handle, and it gapped up here 97. It is also very bullish. The volume was very heavy today on it. And what else we have not covered? Lululemon, and I have one more here stock here that I just couldn't recall right now. Let's see if we can recall. Alexen, ALXN. Now this is a good one here. Very good chart here on it. If you take a look at it, we have enough time. Look at this. It's trying to break out here. So I mean, some bullish actions can be taken. Even if you're not in the market, you can always buy these stocks or take some bullish actions which are there. And for the taking, these markets are very strong, but it's very hard to get into it if that's not a proper entry, and if it is not, then it can probably result in a reverse. So we're just waiting for it.